Picture a midnight library where every book is a body, and one shelf hums with secret, the maps of pleasure. Tonight I flip open 2 volumes, one titled The Many Faces of Female Sensation, and the other, more mischievous, The Tale of the Penis. Listen close. This is a brisk, curious ride, part science lecture, part campfire myth, and all for grown-ups who love learning. First book, Female Erogenous Zones. Female erogenous zones, think of them as neighborhoods, not a single treasure trap. There's the outer coastline, the vulva and labia, soft, varied, and full of nerve endings. Inland, the clitoris sits like a tiny lighthouse. Dense nerves, highly sensitive, and with a surprising reach beneath the surface. Then, there are the breasts and nipples, which answer to touch, warmth, and rhythm. Don't forget the neck, ears, inner thighs, and the subtle corridor of the pelvis. Places where the body whispers rather than shouts. Science tells us sensitivity is about nerve density, blood flow, and the brain's attention. Different strokes, different folks. Light, firm, slow, fast, warm, cool, all change the signal sent to the brain. Second book, The Penis, a noble instrument of anatomy. Think glans, the tip, shaft, frenulum, and for some, foreskin, all with their own sensitivity map. The tip is often most nerve-rich, but the whole structure has stories to tell through touch, tension and movement, blood flow, skin type, and personal history shape how signals are felt. Biology meets biography. Culture, comfort, and consent rewrite the experience. Now, for the urban legend chapter, Ramoon Mat Myth. Old students swore that lovers who traced the mat by candlelight could unlock hidden responsive. The truth? Not magic, but method. Slow, attentive exploration, clear consent, and playful curiosity create the conditions for discovery. Experiment like scientists. Main variables. Change one at a time. Take notes. Laugh at surprises. Practical, non-graphic experiments you can try safely. Due to myth, popular manner, this cool air textures silk versus cotton and pressure, so deeper contact. Use a hand mirror to study anatomy and learn names knowledge. Reduces awkwardness and builds care. Practice clear, simple communication. Do you like that? More, less. Treat feedback as data, not judgment. And with the final whisper, myths make it mysterious, science makes it intelligible, and curiosity makes it alive. Keep consent at the center. Keep humor close and keep learning, because the most exciting discoveries are the ones you make together. With respect, brains, and a little brave imagination.